Assignment 2, content marketing. What is its importance? How are contents created for online customers? Content marketing. Content marketing is a marketing technique of creating and distributing relevant and valuable content to attract, acquire and engage a clearly defined and understood target audience with the objective of driving profitable customer action. So content marketing is a marketing techniques. Each and every online marketer used content marketing for the purpose of creating and distributing valuable information related to the product sent to the customers. That information attract the target audience. Finally, the target audience converted into the customers. Through that way, the online marketer earn profit. So the content marketing playing vital role in each and every online marketing strategy. Importance of content marketing. What purpose the content marketing used by the online marketer? Why it is a very important technique? The reason is creating the brand reputation. It's helpful to building brand trust. Next, the great contents helpful to influence the conversion category. The target audience converted into the customer in the way of attract the content. Next, optimized content helps improve your SEO efforts. The content is helpful to search engine optimization. Some of the keywords is helpful to attract more customer clicking that website, gathering more information like that. Creating great content is cost effective way to bringing in new leads. So great content is reducing the cost, at the same time increase the customers. Content enables your brand to showcase your subject matter expertise. The content is clearly explained about the organization and product and service, and also what are the way that product is unique from the competitor one. What to build relationship with customers. The content marketing is helpful to build a good relationship to the customers, and also it is a beginning step of the organization. The content marketing helps to the online marketer. What are the way the marketer is deviate from their competitors. Next one, content. What do you mean by content? In the web marketing point of view, content simply means a piece of information that is available electronically. As a rule of thumb, good content should be interesting, challenging, entertaining and worthwhile. Otherwise, the producer has wasted his or her time. So content means is a piece of information, it's available in the electronically. That content in the good manner, it is interesting, challenging and entertaining and worthwhile manner. At the time only it is attract the target audience easily and convert the target audience into the customer. Otherwise it is wasted the online marketer time. Content creation. How the content is created? What are the tactics used for creating the content? The content creation is concerned with the research and production of different types of content that will attract a definite audience, no matter which style of blogging or writing you choose. Make sure that you offer plenty of value with your content type. So different types of contents is available. There is no importance for style of blogging and writing. So the importance is given to the content value. What are the way the marketer present the content in interesting manner and worthwhile manner. On the other hand, content marketing is also about using the best tools out there to promote our valuable content in order to attract and retain customers. Normally the content marketing using the social networks for promoting their valuable content and attract the customers. Next, content curation through the professional agency. We are creating the good and worthwhile content, that is comes under the content curation. These are the way the content is created. Content aggregation, that means find the sources. Next, content selection, picking the good content. Next, content contextualization, adding the knowledge and tagging and connecting the rating. Finally, it comes under the network. These are the way the content is created. Before creating the contents, some of the factors is analyzed rather than only creating the content. First one is know your audience. Who is your audience? That is find out by the marketer. Second one is identify the pain points. That means pain point means needs. What is the need and want of the target audience, need or problem or desire of the target audience, that is identified. Next, marketer can choose digital analytics, online survey for gathering information about the need and wants of the customers. Next one, follow the target audience in the correct way. Finally, communicate and relate with the customers. That's all. These are the way the contents is prepared. So it is playing vital role in each and every organization. Next question is, what is copywriting? What are the different types of copy in digital writing? What is SEO copywriting? So online copy. So the information available in the electronic mode, that is comes under the online copy. This type of information is helpful to the target audience or visitor or customers. The customers or target audience visitor go through the online information. Finally, the person is convinced and desired to take action and purchase the products. What is copywriting? Copywriting is the act or occupation of writing text for the purpose of advertising or other forms of marketing. The product called copy is written content that aims to increase brand awareness and ultimately persuade a person or group to take particular action. So the main motive of copywriting in the digital marketing view, copy is a product or services. Writing means the written content related to the product and services. It is creating the brand awareness and also stimulate the visitors target audience to buy the product. What are the different types of copy in digital marketing? Types of web copy. Normally it is divided in so many categories. First we will see the two categories. Types of web copy. It is divided in two things. One is long and short. Long copy and short copy. So the short copy is like a storytelling, less content available in that. Types of web copy, whether it is long or short, the purpose of content is to communicate a message. Communication implies that the message has been both received and understood. The consideration covered here are aimed at ensuring that when you distribute a message, it is communicated effectively to the people who need to receive it. The purpose of copy is sending information or message to the customer that is received by the customer or not, that is understood by the customer or not, that is identified. The effective communication is clear and concise, easy to read, well written, well structured. So content written for the web can be divided into broad category. One is short copy, another one is long copy. short copy, and the web writers often have very little time and space to get a message across to a visitor and entice them to take action. This is especially true of banner and church adverts, but is also important across all digital marketing discipline. Probably the most important short copy anywhere is the call to action. So simple space available, simple time, very little time available in that thing, creating the banner or church advertisement in the digital marketing discipline. It is also attract the customer and make call to action. Social copy means the copy, the content available in the social media regarding to the product or services, that is comes under the social copy. So social media allows brands to have conversion with their customers and fans. This gives consumers a powerful voice and the ability to tell brands what they want. There are few considerations to keep in mind when creating content for social media. That is conversation, write a shareable content, avoid overly promotional content, have a solid communication protocol. These are the information considered before sharing the content. Next, long copy. Longer copy has advantages. Primarily, it allows you to provide more information and encourage the reader to convert. You can foster a relationship with your reader, whether it is on a blog, through email communication, or through articles and new releases comes under the long copy. With more words and spaces available, you are able to build a voice and a personality in your writing. So it's a more time and more space available. So the person give the lengthy content, it is attract the customer. The person is easily converted, the target audience easily converted into the customer category. Building good relationship, normally it is available in the blog or mail communication or articles like that. There are many types of long online copy. Here we will focus on few that means useful for marketing, new releases, articles for online syndication, emails, blog post, advertorials, website, everything. So each and every online marketer, some of the person have the blog post. Nowadays cookeries, Sharmi's patients, we have films related to, so many person have separate websites, separate blogs, and also social media links, advertorials, emails, articles written by that website owners, everything. These are the things comes under the some type of online copy. Final thing is SEO copywriting is a specialized form. SEO, search engine optimization, is a specialized form online writing that contains key phrases, words your target reader types into your search box to find the information she wants. Normally, search engine optimization. The search engine optimization important thing is it is also called as the pay-per-click. Normally, the search engine used by the customers for find out the product or service, anything else. Only the keywords or phrases typed by the customers or target audience, otherwise visitors. The search engines is collect the so many related sites to the customers. So the keyword and phrases playing vital role in the search engine copywriting. The search engine helps a lot for the online marketer. So it helps online content rank higher in search result, drives qualified traffic.